Okay, folks, so today I have something that shouldn't really exist, but it does anyways, just because why not? They can make it. It's called the Beam Authentic. This thing right here, this little circle thingy right here. Essentially, what it is, it's a instead of wearing like a pen with a little message on it, where you have to make a new one every single time. This one, it's an LED screen about 1.5 inches, I think. But yeah, it's essentially a button that you can switch the image of, or even put a GIF on it. I thought that was cool. Yeah, let's open it up and see what it contains. So here we have our beam. I gotta tell you guys, I'm tired of saying the word beam. I've said it so many times before making this video, it doesn't even sound like a word anymore. Okay, so we got our beam. Not really easy to get out, as you guys just saw. Okay, and under this little flap, we have a surplus of thingies. We have our quick start guide, which we shouldn't need. What is this? Oh, comes with a little rubber thingy. It's a rubber thing to slap it in. I don't know why. It looks like you would attach it to a necklace or something. There's a little hole right here. Okay, moving past that. Hey, it literally is a pin. It is a pin. You get a little needle to... Wait, right? Yeah, it's a needle. Okay, so this is so you can stick it in your shirt. Cool. And here, what is this? What do we have right here? Oh. Okay. What is this? Oh. Cool. We get two of them, I guess. One green and one black. Alright. And then we have our power cable right here. It takes a micro USB-B or 2016 Android charger. Just for those of you who don't know, micro USB is USB-B. And then Type C is obviously USB-C, the new one. Yes, this is Type B. Remember that. So we got all that, and also a little black rubber thingy. Okay. Oh! And then that would go in that hole, and then that, and that. Okay. Okay, so the rubber strap thing is for you to attach it to anything you can make a hoop with, I guess. Yeah, put it on your backpack, put it on your pant loop, put it in your ear if you wear gauges, put it on your ponytail. I don't know. It's a hoop. Use it if you want. And then what are these little things here? What the heck? It's just a little circle with the logo on it. Huh. That's weird. Oh! You can see right here, it is a magnet. A really strong magnet. Ooh. Ooh. Ugh. Really strong magnet. Holy crap. Ah! You didn't see that. Okay, so it looks like that's... Yep, styrofoam doesn't come out. That looks like that's all that's in the box. Yeah. We don't need to learn how to do it. we should just be able to do it. Okay. Don't need this anymore. That was loud. Okay, so we need to peel off the plastic, obviously. Ooh, so satisfying every time. Power it on up. Ooh, look at that. Beam Authentic. That's pretty cool. Okay, what do we need? What do we need? What do we need? We need the app. I'll get right back with the app downloaded. Okay, so you'll go to the Google Play Store, download the Beam Authentic app. It says so on the box, so I didn't even need to tell you that. But once you get in the app, you're gonna see a surplus of shiny things, or flashy things, I meant to say. And it'll give you a little quick tutorial to go through the app. Well, quick. It's a very long tutorial actually, like 9 pages to read. But yeah, so one thing I didn't know, I thought you would just display images onto this thing. It does GIFs too. So that's pretty cool. And they're actually partnered with Giphy. You guys know what Giphy is, right? The platform for GIFs, I think. I don't know. And congratulations, you have successfully paired your beam. Give your beam a name. Oh wow. Okay, so we have just paired the app, and from what I can see here, there is the beam, the name of, I just named the beam, so the name of the beam. You can control the brightness, it shows you the battery level. There's a dim setting, and there's a couple dim settings, and options for when it's inactive. Okay, so I have a little beam saved to my library. I guess the images that they use are called beams. Like I said that word so many times before making this video. I'm kind of tired of saying it. This thing is a beam, and the things you put on it are beams up, plural. So as it's beaming, it'll give a little status bar around the thing. You can't see it on camera, but it's like a loading bar. It turns blue for how much is loaded. Nifty. Okay, so while we are waiting for this, let me tell you some of the things you can do in the app. It's kind of like they're trying to make a social media app. I don't get it. So there's these beams. You can make your own beam. When you log into the app, there is a news feed of beams. It just keeps on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and you can click on any one of them and tap the little beam icon on the phone screen, and then you will get a little loading bar on this, and oh, you can see the blue now. Yeah, it's almost done. So yeah, you can make your own and use other people's. It's pretty much, I figure you can just crop a picture into a little circle, and that would fit this. Hi, that's pretty bright. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. That is pretty bright. I have to say, that is pretty bright. You can see it from like, I don't know, all the way back here. That is really cool. It's got some good detail too. I wish I had the pixel count on this thing, because that is really tiny and really detailed. Okay, so I mean, I've already determined that the magnets are really strong. I kind of hurt myself there, but yeah. So you can use the pin for your shirt, but if we have magnets, why are we gonna want to put a hole in our shirt? strong magnets too, so they'll go through leather. You're actually supposed to take this and don't do this with a knife. But yeah, you're going to lift that up. Oh my lord. I feel like they should give you a tool to do this. They give you everything else. They give you 2 little cases. That's why 2. Why 2? Okay, there we go. So now you can see the magnets are separated. Here is the one with the logo. It's half the magnet, and here's the other one. It's just like a little bowl that you put the other one into. Oh, they have magnet faces, so that's probably what makes it stronger. Okay, so... Oh, alright. You attach the magnet face, the side with the logo on it, onto the back, and there's grooves that fit it. Okay. And then, like I showed you, you're gonna put it there, and wow. That is not going anywhere. Holy crap. And you can press the power button twice to dim it. Oh yeah. You see that? Yeah, you saw it dim. Alright. So click the power button twice. The other button is the function button. You can skip to your next beam, skip to the previous beam, start a slideshow. Oh, I forgot to tell you, you can set up a slideshow so it's not just one picture, it goes through a bunch. You can even set the time that it uses, like switch every 3 seconds, switch every 2 seconds. Yeah, you get it. Okay, now what I want to see, let's try and put a GIF on this thing. If it's really true, I might keep this thing and it might not be so useless. What I am mostly seeing on this app is actually advertisements, or hello, my name is. Okay, well that kind of stinks. So I have to update the firmware on this thing in order to display GIFs on it in slideshows, or slideshows that include GIFs. I don't want a slideshow though, I just want to put a GIF on it. Okay, so yes, it works. It says it works. I just need to plug it into my computer and update the firmware. I'm not gonna do that for this video because you guys don't really need to see that. I'm pretty sure it works just as, like it says it does. So yes, who is this for exactly? I see this being for, well, instead of getting name tags for all your employees, you can just get a bunch of these things and then put any name you want on it. You don't have to reprint it. You don't have to use plastic or magnets or no waste. These things are reusable. So where would you use this? I'd say I can see it being used at an election, saying vote for so and so. You can always switch up, you know, who you say it votes for. If you're at a fundraiser type thing, you can use it to promote your business. Like me, I could put GLG on this thing and walk around VidCon. But does it have its use? Yes. Is it for the everyday, you know, consumer? I don't think so. I mean, yes, it's very cool. I like it. It's really cool. And it's not just able to attach to your shirt. Like I said, it can attach to anything, anywhere, especially with the use of these magnets. So, whoa. Ha 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 ha, that's fun. So yes, if you are promoting a brand at all, then this is something cool to have. You can use it for personal and business use. You can make different types of beams to put on it and display. It doesn't just, you have an unlimited library here. It's, I keep saying cool, but it is kind of cool. So yeah, not much to say about it. It's a not smart display. It's a display that you can attach to yourself with an accompanying app. Not much more I can say about it, but yeah, it's cool. I wanted to show it to you guys. It is a little overpriced on Amazon in my opinion. It comes in white and black, and they are both $100. Is $100 a lot for something like this? Yeah. If it was $50, I might be a little easier. Well, I'm really trying to think of something else I can say about this thing, but yeah, like I said, that's it. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a like. Wait. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a zombie like. See that zombie thumb there? Yeah. Yours won't look the same down there. I mean, unless you have some cool Chrome extension. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. It helps me and supports the channel and shows that people like this video and that it's a likable video and not complete garbage and not worth your time. Maybe it is. Don't tell me. It would make me sad. And if you disliked it, go ahead and drop a dislike. It won't hurt my feelings too much. Just let me know what was wrong. Did you think I was stupid? Did I say something wrong? Was I incorrect? Was this a shitty video? You can't just dislike it and not let me know. I mean, you obviously can, but just listen to me. Remember, guys, always stay positive.